In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook "This page isn't available right now" error on mobile. So first of all, open up your iPhone settings. On your settings, you have to tap on General. In General, you have to tap on iPhone Storage. In iPhone Storage, you have to scroll down and simply tap on Facebook. In Facebook, you have to tap on Offload app and you will be able to easily clear all of the cache which is stored in your application. Keep this in mind, this will also free up the storage used by the application but will keep your documents and data intact. So you very simply have to reinstall the application to place back your data. Secondly, what you also have to do is that close your iPhone settings, then open the App Store. In your App Store, you have to tap on the search icon which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the search bar, you very simply have to search for Facebook. Now from here, you have to select the official application and make sure that your Facebook application is up to date and there are no updates available. Once you make this sure, you should be able to easily fix your Facebook page isn't available right now error on mobile. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.